consolidation. Remember ICT said market will start with a consolidation, then it will give you a expansion. Now this expansion, if it can expand lower, then I can look for something like this, okay, buy long, because it's in a valid area. When it expands lower, it will cover up the new day opening gap, then accumulation, manipulation, distribution, retest or revisit of those area, and then continuation things. And that's how you utilize your knowledge. Okay, first fair value, yeah, during the retest I was writing a reply of a comment on my channel. Market was trading there. Where did I took my profit? The fair value that can send the price lower. Is there a problem with that? Because the entry was looking something like this. Okay, this was the stop loss. First fair value broke above entry. This candle I missed, so the very next candle I took the entry, and sorry, not that far, yeah, that's 3.56, 8 ticks. I don't care, 2 lots, 16 ticks, guys. This is $320 even before the session started. Okay, I was not willing to take the entry, but anyway, since I'm in front of my computer, I can take that. So yeah, until next time, take a very good care and bye bye.